Malacanang says President Aquino is closely monitoring developments on the abduction of an Italian priest turned businessman in Dipolog City. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma said the president continues to get updates from authorities. The kidnapped victim, identified as Rolando Del Torquillo, 56 years old, owns a pizza restaurant in the city. No one has claimed responsibility for the abduction.
Tinutugis na ng Philippine National Police ang mga nagsagawa ng pagdukot at gagawin ang nararapat upang mailigtas si Ginoong Roland Del Torquillo sa Dipolog, Zamboanga del Norte. Hinggil do sa second part, patuloy pa rin namang sinisikap ng ating pamahalaan na mapabuti ang peace and order condition at upang matiyak ang kaligtasan ng lahat ng individual, sila man ay Pilipino o hindi Pilipino. Baka naman may kalabisan yung inihayag mong senaryo, no? Na dahil sa iisang pangyayaring ito, no, ay maapektuhan na ng ganap, no, yung kabuuan. Again, no, ilagay lang natin sa tamang konteksto.